Purezidenti Museveni yahaye okuhaburira izooba obyabari omugenyi mukuru amukoro gw'okusiimaranga wa General Wilson Mbadi, Minisita w'ebyobushubuzi hamwe na Godfrey Kabyanga Baluku, Minisita wa ICT na National Guidance. Omukoro ogu gwakorerwa kishayi kya Kaguta omu Nyakatonzi, aho Purezidenti Museveni yaashaba abantu aba kukoresa enkora y'ekibaro kandi aba baine amataka makye bakozesa enkora eya 4-acre model.
Obugaga bwaitu bugira amagurana.
Obugaga bwetu bweta maulwani.
Okuhinga n'okulisa okukora sente.
Ewacha kubanza erirema neririsya habo arikola kasente.
Amakolero
ebesha factory shatu kabiri buwako amakolero.
Obuhereza
erihereza ebesha service reshanga babarakweshe buhuteri
hamwe na ICT.
Hama nebi mabe karimagezi.
Museveni yasima ba minisita ba Mbadi na Kabyanga abo kuba bakozi barunje mu offices bakoziremu agumise ngu eki nico kibabasise okuzibwa bakahika kitinisa echa minisita.
N'abakozi barungi nkona abamenyere nkabamanyabo abo gukora emirimo yabo.
Amabwati ne bakoli babuya abesi ngoko bakakola embiri yabo ne bakoli babuya.
Ngabo ekyo nashemerwa okwijaha nemukija kusimarahanga abo kubatungura.
Iyongo mondo amatsema eriasahano okusesima lyabo nenyeriasa erishesima nabo okwibakulakulania okwabitsumbi cyabo echo.
Minister wa ICT and National Guidance Dr. Chris Baryomunsi yasima President Museveni wokuza General Wilson Mbadi hamwe na Kabyanga akabaha obwa minister.
Your Excellency, the people of Kasese are yellow. We know in the past the color had faded due to some reasons, but we've been mobilizing with the ministers here, Honorable Kabyanga, Honorable Mbadi, Dr. Chiyonga, and the other leaders. The people of Kasese promised to continue getting yellow and yellow and yellow.
Boba minisita aba basimarahanga abo kitinisa kibahikireho kandi bayibaza President Museveni abo kubahereza umugisha kuhereza omu kitinisa eki.
And then on with that, the President appointed me Chief of the Defense Forces. So he has given me the highest rank in the army and given me the highest appointment in the army. And now he has made me a Minister of State for Trade. I waited till 2 p.m. and I was just on TV and I heard you say, I forgot my man. And now my man, I am appointing him a minister. If a president can call you his man, you will die for him. I am going to die for you, Excellency. I will look for you votes, and you will see how the basket will go full.
Omukoro gwahikwa abantu benji aba barimu ba members of parliament, ba minister hamwe n'abandi bebembezi. Gashakwa Abdulkarim Sengendo.